Hello students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to describe you some descriptive questions related to the short story Birthday written by V.M. Bashir. This story is in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd English Literature Paper 2nd. This is my third video lecture on this topic. The topics of today's lecture are role of the narrator in the story Birthday, and second is narrator's experiences on his birthday. Students, first of all, I will briefly describe you the role of the narrator or the protagonist in the story Birthday. The narrator is the protagonist in Bashir's short story Birthday, which was published in 1944. The story begins with a reference to the day which was the narrator's birthday. He was pleased in the morning and there excited thrill in him on the day. He was such a person who had to make struggle even to get a cup of tea or meal or to lead his life. Narrator had many friends and acquaintances from this part of the country to that one. He got help from others, but his birthday was a unique day for him. He was an embodiment of action and gentility, but he had no regular work to earn money. Due to poverty, he had to face humiliation too, as happened in case of the bespectacled student. The landlord also displeased with him because the rent of his room was overdue. The hotel keeper disliked him as he had made no payment of his bills. The landlord wanted him to vacate the room, and hotel keeper had stopped to serve anything to him on credit. The government and police troubled him his distressed life. His gentility was liked only by the small children, maybe the clock sellers or pilai servant. Even the coming of a stranger to his room was something appealing to him when he was in a desperate mood. The narrator had suffered in the daytime. He went to sleep at the usual time but could not sleep. Then he had to steal food from the Matthew's kitchen. It was all because of the compulsions of hunger. After all, we find him a gentle and loving character who deserves pity, pathos, and compassion. The next topic is narrator's experiences on his birthday. The narrator was pleased at it was his birthday. While sitting in his reclining chair, wearing a clean dress, he was greeted by his neighbor Matthew. It was a good experience in the morning. Then in the daytime, it was difficult for him to get even a cup of tea. The narrator did not like the attitude of the landlord and the hotel keeper. They had their dues to be cleared by the narrator. The police detained and interrogated him for an hour, which was an unpleasant experience. His extreme poverty made him suffer, but it is difficult to understand why he did not do any regular job to earn money. His experiences were sad only because he had no money. Narrator had to feel sorry after reaching Hamid's house for meal and not finding him there. Visiting Mr. P's shop also saddened him. His acquaintances overlooked him. The best spectacled students did not give him a rupee. All such things prove his uh, sad nature and show an image without trust on him. He was a sincere worker, good writer, and friendly to all, but he had made no arrangements to live in a happy way. He had rented a small room, a kitchen store, but even the rent was overdue for that. He was a creative writer, but he had no oil in his lamp and he had to go to the lakeside to write under a lamp there. He had his own way of living and working. He had a humanitarian thinking. He loved his country and was compassionate towards the hungry people in the world. But he did nothing for the betterment of such suffering people. Even though he had broad thoughts about the poor people, yet look at his own pitiable condition. In his own words, there was darkness in my eyes and head. I was in a great misery. My bones were burning. Thirst, hunger. I was finished. I was finished. Enough to swallow the earth. It reveals that it was unbearable for him to remain hungry. But he had no money. He knew the day to be his birthday, but he made no preparation in advance. He depended solely on his acquaintances. Better, he would have done something to enjoy the day through his own efforts. His interest in politics was an invitation to trouble for him. The leader Gangadhar got an anna from him, though he himself was in dire need of it to buy his meal. Later he had to steal it from Matthew's kitchen. How unfortunate it was. Thus, we reach the conclusion that the narrator's experiences on his birthday were not good, but he himself was responsible for it to a great extent. We praise his gentility, but rather dislike his haphazard way of living. So, students, in these three video lectures on the short story Birthday, I have given you the complete notes, introduction of the author B.M. Bashir, his famous works, central theme of the story, full summary of the story, and the role of the protagonist or the narrator, role of another characters in the story, and the experiences of narrator on his birthday. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.